Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video about branch protection rules. So this will be a relatively short video, but what branch protection rules actually allows you to do is to enforce a certain workflow for certain branches. And you can enable this by going to your project, going to settings, and then you can select branches. And then right here you see branch protection rules, so we can add a rule, and then right here you want to give the name of your branch. So in this case it will be main. And what I recommend you to at least select is require pull request reviews before merging and require conversation resolution before merging. So it's this option and this one right here. If you don't know what this actually is, this is essentially, people can comment on your code to ask you to fix certain things or change stuff. And every comment must be resolved in GitHub. So this is kind of like enforcing that all the comments are resolved by either, that can be done by either the creator of the comment, so to speak, or the person that is responding to it. But I think that's good to always have in place. And you can also opt in for require status checks to pass before merging. And there you could, for example, search for like your Netlify deploy. So yeah, you can choose that as well. And all you have to do then is click on create. Then you can enter a password and the changes will be applied. So that was pretty much it. But I think this is very good to have in place, especially when other developers are joining your project. So yeah, having that said, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.